The 2025 Honda HR-V might not look dramatically different from last year, but don't let that fool you. This subcompact crossover still packs a strong value punch in a crowded segment. So before you make a decision at the dealership, here are 7 key things you absolutely need to know. From pricing to performance, tech, comfort, and a few subtle surprises, this review breaks it all down. Let's start with the basics: pricing and trims. In Canada, buyers can choose from 4 trims. In the US, there are 3. Each market offers both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options. The starting price? Around $32,900 Canadian, or $25,500 USD for the base front-wheel drive model. Want all-wheel drive? That'll cost an extra $2,000 or more, depending on the region. And if you're eyeing the fully loaded EXL trim with navigation and premium touches, expect to pay up to $44,960 Canadian dollars, or $29,500 USD before taxes or extras. Across all trims, Honda keeps it simple. Every HR-V is powered by a 2-liter inline-4 engine paired with a CVT transmission. Output? A modest 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque. There's no sport mode, only normal, econ, and snow modes. Snow mode helps reduce wheel slip by launching in second gear. As expected, acceleration is more relaxed than thrilling, especially from a stop. On paper, the HR-V delivers solid fuel efficiency. Honda estimates 8.3 liters per 100 kilometers, or 28 mpg per gallon, F-wheel drive, 8.7 liters per 100 kilometers, or 27 mpg per gallon. But how does it perform in the real world? During a 2-hour mixed drive in an all-wheel drive EXL model with winter tires, the average came in at 9.4 liters per 100 kilometers, or 25 mpg per gallon. Not bad, but a bit thirstier than the spec sheet suggests. Safety-wise, the Honda Sensing Suite is now standard across all trims. For 2025, blind spot monitoring is included as standard equipment, a welcome addition. Other standard features include LED headlights with auto high beams, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow lane keep assist and departure warning, forward collision warning with auto braking, and a rear view camera. For a subcompact crossover, that's a very competitive list of driver aids. If you're hauling gear, here's what to expect. With the seats up, 691 liters, 24.5 cu-feet. With the 60/40 seats folded, 1,559 liters, 55.1 cu-feet. There's also a 12-volt outlet in the trunk, plus a temporary spare tire under the floor. Rear seating? A little tight, as you'd expect from this class, but still usable for kids or shorter adults. Just note, no rear seat armrest. Up front, the EXL trim adds comfort features like heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and even a small sunroof, all standard. The HR-V keeps up with today's tech expectations. One standout feature for Canadian buyers, remote start is standard via the key fob. US shoppers, note that it's missing on the base LX trim. Other tech highlights include voice commands and customizable driver cluster, 7-inch or 9-inch touchscreen, depending on trim. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wireless charging pad, EXL only. USB-A and dual USB-C ports. Pro tip, head to the vehicle settings menu right away to tweak or disable driver assist features to your liking. Honda offers a competitive warranty package. 5-year, 100,000 kilometer powertrain, 3-year, 60,000 kilometers comprehensive coverage, plus 3 years of roadside assistance with unlimited mileage. Always check your local Honda site for region-specific warranty details. The 2025 Honda HR-V doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it delivers on what buyers in this segment want: affordability, comfort, reliability, and tech. It's smooth, quiet, even on winter tires, and visibility is solid thanks to thin A-pillars and a clever rear quarter window design. Add in the new blind spot monitoring, and it's easier than ever to stay safe on the road. If you're cross-shopping, the top 3 worth checking out are Toyota, Honda, and Mazda, each with its own edge in this class. Want to see how the HR-V compares side by side with its closest rivals? Check the links in the description for more in-depth videos. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe for weekly car reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.